Hello and welcome to an Affinity Revolution tutorial. My name is Ezra Anderson, and today we're going to take this portrait photo and enhance the woman's skin tone. If you'd like to follow along with the same image that I'll be using, I've included a download link in the video description. Enhancing skin tone in Affinity Photo is extremely easy. The first thing we need to do is select the rectangle tool. Then simply tap and drag to make a rectangle that completely covers the woman's skin. We're going to change the color of this rectangle by coming to the Color Studio. Give your rectangle a peach color. Then we'll come to the Layer Studio and press on the three circles at the top left of the Layer Studio. Now we're going to change the blend mode of this rectangle from normal to multiply. Then we'll come back to our layer options. We're going to mask this rectangle so it's only applied to the woman's skin. To do this, we'll press on the mask icon and then select New Empty Mask Layer. We now have a black mask applied to this rectangle, so it's completely invisible. But if we select our paintbrush tool, we can paint in white to reveal this rectangle on the woman's skin. Just make sure you're painting with 0% hardness. Then you can begin painting to reveal the rectangle on the woman's skin. If you ever paint too much, remember that you can always change your color to black. By painting in black, you can hide the rectangle layer once again. For this tutorial, I've done a fairly rough job. If you were doing this on a real picture, you'd want to zoom in and paint more carefully. But for our purposes, this is good enough to show you how the technique works. Now all we need to do is select the rectangle layer, and then click on the three circles once again. Now we'll just lower the opacity to around 20%. Then if we come back to layer options, we can turn this layer off and on to see our enhanced skin tone. If you ever want to change the color of your rectangle, just select the Move tool, and then with the rectangle layer selected, we can go back into the Color Studio to change its color. Once you're satisfied with your rectangle's color, we are done. You now know how to easily enhance skin tone in Affinity Photo.